and just wanted to come to you with a small update to my independent owners. Stop snitching on your work ethics. Let me say that again. Stop snitching on your work ethics. And I know this might sound crazy with the way I'm putting this, but it just hit me. This morning I was out networking and talking to a gentleman, and you know what we tend to do sometimes? We will tell our work ethics to a person. Oh yeah, I can do this, and we'll do the groundwork for them, and we'll do all this stuff, and then they'll take the information that we use, that we snitched on ourselves with, and they'll take that information and go find somebody else to do it even cheaper, or someone else after you did all the homework, or you after you did all the footwork. You know what I mean? So a lot of times, different contractors and different homeowners or different people will call you and require different information. They say, well, how do you do this? Or how do you do this? And you would break it all down. Yeah, I would do it this way. I put it this way. I do this. And you say, damn, well, I ain't never get a call back, because they used the information you gave them and went and got someone else to do it or cheaper, or figured out a way to do it themselves. So you know what I learned? Now, we got to stop snitching on ourselves. We got to stop telling this information out. They say, hey, if you want us to come out and look at it, it's a consultation fee. We'll be glad to come out there and look at it. But stop giving that information out. If you don't know you got the bid, or I can see if you're trying to get a bid, you're gonna put together a price, but they don't know how you doing it. But if you tell them verbatim how you doing it, how they need to do it, what material they need to do, because I done had a lot of different people call me, didn't even know the material to buy. Didn't even know the first thing. I'm like, man, I got to tell them how to get the material, what to buy, what this and this and this and this. And then sometimes they'll go a different route. And a lot of times I still do the jobs. Now, don't get me wrong, it's like a 50-50 chance. So you kind of got to feel your way out with this situation. But I will most definitely say, until you know you got it, stop telling your left hand what your right hand doing, because all you're doing is allowing them to use that information against you to keep you broke. So it's kind of like you telling on yourself to keep you in jail, and jail is being broke. So if you got something valuable, why tell on it and keep it locked up when you know it need to be free, making you money? So don't give all your information out. You know what I mean? I know you got valuable information on whatever your skill or side hustle is, from doing floors, carpentry, housework, welding, fabricating, fence work, repair work, mechanic work, whatever it is that you do, plumbing, whatever. A lot of times you got stuff that's real valuable, and we willing to throw it out there, trying to be good, and people end up, locking our money up. You know what I'm saying? We telling on ourselves. So try to break that chain. You know what I mean? We don't mind helping no one, but you got to realize what you know is valuable. And if you spend all of your time developing a plan, developing a way to do something, and someone else take it and go do it, man, that's raw. But the business world is raw. So we need to learn the business. Learning how to be independent. You're going to have to learn the business, because people will take advantage of you. And even in the court of law, they're going to say that you read it, well, you signed it. So business is raw, man. Business, even in the streets, we got codes and principles, but in business, it's that you read it, that you sign it. Oh, did you say that? Oh, well, we can do about it. And it's what it is. So you got to protect yourself. So protect yourself is just like having a lawyer situation. You know what I mean? They say, hey, don't tell everything. Shh. Keep your mouth. Yeah, I can do it. Yeah, you can say, okay, I can do it for this number and give them a good price, but you don't break down everything on how you're going to do it, because a lot of times they'll take that information and run to someone else cheaper, or one to someone else they trying to get to rub their back and say, oh, I got this information. I did all the homework. That's what they'll say. I did all the footwork. Can you take it to the next level? You know what I mean? So you got to watch that, man, being independent. I don't care where you at. I done seen this in a lot of places, but in Phoenix especially, you know what I mean? So keep your eyes open and stay on the lookout for that. Hog on. Stop snitching on yourself.